Bukeli asiphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe ngikuthembisile namhlanje sivakashelwe abesifazane abasebasha abenza ezibukwayo kwezemfundo ngenxa yokuzimisela kwabo. Amawele amathathu akwambiyo Esihle, Sinovuyo kanjalo noSisipho abasuka eMthatha eEastern Cape. Ake nginibingelele nginamukele eindabeni zosuku.
Thank you for having us.
Ngixolise ke ngaphambi kokuthi sicale uma ngabe kwenzeka ngenza iphutha ngamagama ningixolele ngoba niyefana. Kodwa ke ake sicale ke ngawe Sinovuyo. Yini mhlambe eyanenza ukuthi nize ninqume ukuthi nithathe iziqu ze-LLB nokuthi mhlambe kwakumqondo kabani phakathi kwenu?
Ukwenza i-LLB ndingathi it was a collective decision. Thina ke sisuka ezilalini e-Eastern Cape, so ndingatsho ukuba we have witnessed firsthand ukuba there is limited access to justice ezilalini, and we also noticed that abantu abaninzi ezilalini do not have an understanding of i-rights zabo, and ngamaxesha abaninzi abakwazi uziprotecta. Amaxesha amaninzi especially kwi-cases ze-RAF, Road Accident Fund, abantu abaninzi bebechaza izitori zabo, ubona ukuba the reason bengakwazanga mhlawumbi ukufumana uncedo in those cases, it's because they didn't have an understanding of i-rights zabo nomthetho. So ndingatsho siso eso isizathu esenza ukuba sifune ukwenza i-LLB.
Sisipho uyachaza ke uSinovuyo ukuthi ezinye zezizathu ukuthi nisuka eEastern Cape njengoba nisuka ekudeni kangaka bekubaleka kangakanani ukuthi nithole ukwesekwa umndeni nokuthi ke mangabe benisekwa kanjani from umndeni?
Ibibalekile ukuthi uba ifamily yethu isi-support from primary to university. Ifamily yethu ibisupporta kakhulu, bebeqinisekisa amaxesha onke ukuba sifunda same time, and bebesi-encourage besi-supporta since high school, besenza sure uba sonke siyapasa, and kwi-support yabo bebesenza sure ukuba abasicomparisha uba omnye upasa njani kunomnye, but bebesimotivate uba even if awupasanga kakuhle you can still improve and do better. So ndingatsho ukuba i-support yabo yiyo kakhulu esiphushileyo ukuba side silapha namhlanje.
Esihle, akuhlaphe usithatha usibeke esithombeni ngokuthi benifunda kanjani namhlanje nineziqu ze-LLB, mhlambe nombukele ekhaya uyafuna ukwazi ukuthi benenza kanjani, mhlambe nokuthi ke ningaqathanisani ngamamaki enu, benifunda kanjani mhlambe usithatha usibeke esithombeni ngoba nikwenza ukuze nikwazi ukuthi niphase.
Uhlobo besifunda ngalo saye sahlala phansi sa decide uba uhlobo esizawufunda ngalo kufuneka sibe consistent yonke imihla, besidla ngoya e-library sifundele khona singafundele rezi, and then sasincedana ke xa sinexesha loba sibhale imvuwe zethu, xa sigqibobhala imarks zigqibophuma besihlala phansi sobathathu, and then sicomparishe imarks zethu uba siyabona uba omnye kukhona apha ashota khona, and then sizamncedisa ke ngokubana funeke unyuse ikawuse apha ulungise apha. And then ndiyakhumbula uSisipho was very she was very strict ke xa kuza kwinto yofunda, and also she was very good with making notes. So each and every before every exam esizayibhala behlala phansi senze notes sitsho uba okay sizawufunda kanje, sawufunda this unit senze this unit senze this unit. I think yiyo into esincedileyo uba sifunde sikwazi nopasa kakuhle.
Ake ngibuyele futhi kuwe Sisipho, njengoba kuvela ukuthi uwena obubaphethe kakhulu ngokuba strict manje ke njengoba niye nafunda kuyavela ukuthi anizange nifocus only phakathi kwezinto zemfundo, ibikhona ke ukuthi naba ingxenye nezinye zezinto ama-extracurricular activities. Yiziphi ezinye izinto mhlambe eyedanikhuthaza ukuthi nibheke nakulezo zinto?
Ndingatsho uba si-students ze-law uthi kubalekile xa usi-student se-law ukuba wenze ezinye izinto ukwazi uimprove i-public speaking yakho. So yiyo into eyasi-encourageayo ukuba sibe involved kwezinye activities, and sisabona pha eVarsity uba bakhona nabanye abantwana abazingenelayo into zakwalo okanye i-activities zalapha eVarsity, sabona ukuba loo nto ibanceda entwenini. So nathi sesanaloo nto ukuba asifuni uzilimitha, sifuna ukwenza yonke into so that by the time siphuma e-university zibe zininzi izikills esiye sakwazi uzifunda. So ndingatsho ke uba uba straight kwam kuye kwanegalelo lokuba sikwazi ukwenza nezinye ii-activities evarsity. Yes.
Sinovuyo udaba lwakho liye lwathinta abantu abaningi njengoba ube nenkinga futhi yokungezwa, kodwa ke lokho akuzange ukuthi kukubambe ukuthi ekuthenini ungakwazi ukuthi uqhubeke noma ke ukwazi ukuthi ugogode ezifundweni zakho. Akusithatha usibeke mhlawumbe ngezinye zeinkinga oke wahlangabezana nazo nokuthi wanqoba kanjani.
Okay, ngusisipho.
Ngishilo ngibonga ukuthi ngimasala ngithi makwenzeka ngibheda amagama ningixolele ngoba niyafana.
Okay, ingxaki yami yongeva yaqala e-primary. But i-hearing aids ndinaqala usebenzisa xa ndifika e-high school, but ngelaa xesha kwangekho lula uba ndiyamkele situation nokuba ndizinxibe esikolweni ngoba I was a bit different from abanye abantwana. Ndandibaleka nento ye-questions uba baza bendibuza uba yintoni, but ukufika kwam evarsity kuye kwandinceda ukwazi uba ndi-understande i-problem endinayo, ndikwazi uyamkela. Phaa esikolweni ke kukho indawo edila ne-student ezine-disability. So kwi-first year yam ndiye ndajoyina loo center, ndakwazi ke ngoku udibana nabantu bakhona, istafu nabanye abantwana abafana nam. So xa sendibonile uba bakhona abanye abantwana abanjengam, ndiye ndakwazi nam ufumana laa confidence yoba ndizawukwazi ufunda, akho nto ndizawusokola ngayo. And also I think having i-sister zam kuye kwa-encourage kakhulu because bendiyazi sometimes uba even if andivanga eklasini like after class bazabuya bakwazi undincedisa, ne-support yabo iye yakwazi undiphusha uba ndikwazi uparticipate nakwezinye activities, ndikwazi nam ukwenza sure uba siyagraduate same time.
Esihle kunomuntu omusha njengamanje njengoba sikhuluma osekhaya obhekile loluhlelo mhlambe nothi naye usenyuvesi kodwa akakwazanga ukuthi agrade mhlambe ngeyinkinga nenqinamba eyikhona enyuvesi. Ngiyazi ukuthi nani nibalulile ezeno inkinga eninabhekana nazo, mhlambe okuthini mhlambe a give up nokugive up, ungathini kulomuntu onjalo njengamanje?
Ndingathi kulomuntu ba angancami, angagive up, and they must always remember isizathu soba why beqalile from the start, and also it is very, very possible, and they must also make sure that they find good people ecaleni kwabo that are going to be helping them uba bakwazi ufunda bonke nabo bakwazi ugraduate.
Njengoba echaza uEsihle Sinovuyo, ngabe nani kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la nibona ukuthi kuba nzima khona nokuthi mhlawumbe mangabe kuke kwenzeka niye nanqoba kanjani?
Ewe, bikhona ixesha apho sikhe sabona uba kuba nzima kakhona, especially in third year bekunzima kakhulu esikolweni. But into esiyenzileyo thina kucela abantu who older than us, maybe who are doing final year ebebesenza i-third year, to give us advices ne-tips yoba sifunde njani, how to tackle i-challenges esizawudibana nazo. I think loo nto yasinceda kakhulu, and also kubalekile ubuza abantu who are more experienced kunawe ukuze bakuncede nawe. I think ibi-third year kakhulu ibinzima kakhulu.
Njengoba niqhubeka ke neziqu ze-masters, ngiyazi ukuthi ke lokhu okukhulu nokubalekile, zithini ezinye izinto enibheke kuzo ukuya phambili?
Ukuya phambili, we want to do our articles and become admitted attorneys, and hopefully ngenye imini sizawuvula i-law firm yethu.
Bengithi ngizonibuza ngamunye kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi nonke ingathi niyahambisana, kodwa ke mhlawumbe bangathi uyaphawula ubuza uthini wena?
Nam ndibenzawuthetha le nto ayithethayo. I think i-goal yethu is to make sure uba yonke into esiyenzayo sonke siyaphumelela. If kuyenzeka siphumelele ngexesha elinye, but yeah.
And even though ke mhlambi umsebenzi singazufumana endaweni eyi-1, but we are just hoping that each and every one of us sikwazi uzibona sikule ndawo sifuna uba kuyo.
Ngivumelene ngibiyele emuva kancane Esihle, nisuka eMthatha e-Eastern Cape, mhlawumbe omunye umuntu angathi amathuba emfundo kithi awafiki ngoba sisendaweni yasemakhaya. Umuntu mhlawumbe ongakwazi nokuthi a-access i-internet, mhlawumbe ukuthi akwazi nokuthi a-apply angene emfundweni ephakeme, ungathini mhlawumbe kuloyo muntu? Noma ke nina nasizakala kanjani ukuze nikwazi ukuthi from grade 12 mhlawumbe sithathe sibeke esithombeni sibiyele emuva kusuka kumatikuletsheni wenu ukuze niqhubeke ukudecide kwenu ukuthi nifuna ukuthatha izifundo zelo nokuthi nize nifike enyuvesi?
I think thina into eyasincedayo kakhulu kuba nabantu abasecaleni kwethu noba nabantu abalungileyo bos advisor yoba funeke senze kanje basinceda. I think into yasinceda kakhulu leyo nento edibene ne-applications ufumane people that have advice and people that have walked the same journey ongafuna nawo uyihamba. I think those people are the good people that would give you advice right.
To add kule ntetho ngesihle, I think umuntu osezilalini like say understand sometimes xa usezilalini akukho lula uba ufumane information nge-applications, like it's a bit difficult, but I think as soon as umuntu esenza umatric it's important to communicate neetishala zakho. Uzame nokhangela umuntu mhlambe elalini yakho osesevasithi and then uzame ukhangela uncedo kubo, and also like kukho i-technology ngoku, so uzame ungena naku internet ukhangela uba yeyiphi yona nto ufuna uyenza. So I think xa ufuna ulwazi ngeloo nto ufuna uyenza kuba lula ke uyifumane.
Ulwazi lwenu lubaluleka kakhulu kumbukeli ekhaya njengoba lokho okushoyo okubalekile kakhulukazi kumuntu obukele. Siyazi ukuthi impilo yasenyuvesi akuyona impilo elula, akekho umzali uhlala nabantu abahlukahlukene, konke kuvele kushintshe. Mhlawumbe nina ezinye zezinto eninahlangabezana nazo nokuthi mangabe senifika nibona ukuthi abekho abazali nenza kanjani?
I think yona nto ibalulekileyo thina sazixelela ukuba besibane sizikhumbuza i-reason yoba sise-university. I think that's the important thing, and also do not compare yourselves nabanye abantu ngoba i-journeys zethu ezabanye abantu they are different. So I think yiyo into esiye sayicinga, and also we understand the value of education. The reason kuyo yonke le minyaka besizimisele esikolweni, it's because we wanted a better future for ourselves, not for anyone else, kodwa for thina. I think once you remember that yonke into yenzayo uyenzela wena hayi omnye umuntu, so even when you meet zonke ezo challenges e-university, it will be easy for wena ngoba uyayazi uba you are doing this thing for yourself. Yes.
Umkhakha lo ongajwayelekile kakhulukazi kubantu abantsundu nimisele ukunqoba kanjani?
I think it's still the same rule and the same thing ebesiyenza kwi-undergrad yethu. Sizawuzama uba consistent, senze izinto ngexesha nokubambisana. I think enye into ephinde yasinceda kuyo yonke into kokubambisana thina sobathathu because besiyazi into besifuna uyenza.
Njengoba bengishilo ngithi udaba lwenu luthinta abantu abaningi, ngiyazi njengoba manje babhekile abantu bayayibuza ukuthi what is next, yikuphi okulandelayo. Mhlambe ke ngiqale ngale ngizobuya futhi ngapha.
So into elandelayo ngoku, we are hoping and we know that next year we are hoping to graduate together because this year senze masters zethu. So next year we are hoping to graduate together again for a postgraduate.
Usekhulumele noma nginithi. Yeah, ake sikhuthaze umbukeli njengamanje ngaphambi ukuthi nje mhlambe sithi siyayisonga inkulumo yethu. Ake sizame ukuthi sikhuthaze umbukeli njengamanje obukele umuntu omusha osesikolweni, umuntu omusha mhlambe osoyekile ngezizathu mhlambe eziningi, umuntu omusha mhlambe naye nonethemba lokuthi ngelinye ilanga uyoza kwazi ukuthi angene enyuvesi aqede agogode izifundo zakhe. Ungathini?
Ndingathi kubabukeli ukuba imfundo ibalulekile and it can create opportunities, especially as a black person, and thina we are also women. We hope to inspire especially abantu abangomama ezilalini abancinci ukuba babone imfundo ukuba ibalulekile, and also it can create opportunities. Zange nathi sacinga ngenye imini ukuba singalapha, but because of imfundo silapha namhlanje. I think yiyo message engabashiya yona, and also that apho usuka khona should never limit ukucinga kwakho okanye izinto ozinqwenelayo. Apho usuka khona does it matter, like you can achieve anything that you want. Yes.
Mna ndifuna ukuthi kuwaphulaphuli especially abane disability, your disability does not define you. Ungakwazi uphumelela despite any challenges ongajongana nazo ebomini. Unga give up emaphupheni akho, uzibone ngathi wena awudeserve uba kwispace sabantu engathi ba-different kunawe. You must be able to use opportunities ozifumanayo ukwazi uzi-encourage nawe njengomntu, and i-dreams zakho zi-valid if wena uyakwazi uzi-accepta ngohlobo ululo, then uzawukwazi ukwenza noba yintoni apha ebomini, ayikho into eza kustopa. And I think already sendi-example yoba I did not allow i-disability yam ukuba indilimite to izinto endizokwazi uzenza neento endingakwazi uzenza.
Yeah. I think njengoba sebetshilo osisi bambana abantu they must not limit themselves, and zonke opportunities ezifikayo kubo they must grab them with both hands, because you will never know uba into ingakubekaphi. And they must always remember that imfundo ibalekile, it really creates opportunities for you.
Ngaphambi kokuthi siqale ngengaxolisa kunina kanjalo nakubabukela ekhaya ukuthi mangabe kenzeka kube nephutha ukuthi ngiphambanise amagama eningixolele kakhulu, mhlambe mangabe nisesikolweni akaze mhlambe leyo nto leyo kube yinto ukuthi ikhona ama lecturer mhlambe akwazi ukuthi ahlukanise ukuthi uSisipho umuphi esihle umuphi uSinovuyo umuphi.
Ke akhona lo nto, kodwa I think abantu once they get used to us ngoba asifani, so baphele bekwazi usohlula, but especially kwi-first year abantu abaninzi babengakwazi usohlula.
Mhlawumbe ubukele ekhaya ufuna ukwazi ukuthi njengoba nifana kanje ekhaya kona kunjani nokukhula kwenu, ngekho mhlawumbe bethatha icala lomunye njengoba nifana kanje.
I don't think the cases ngoba kuba bona bebehlala nathi ixesha elininzi, and I think abantu bangasiqhelanga basibona asifana, kodwa asifani, bekulula uba basohlule. Bekungokho ne-cases yoba mhlawumbe kuthiwa mna I'm being mistaken to Sisipho ngoba bebesiqhelile. Yes.
Esihle kuyenzeka ukuthi kube khona ukuthi kukhona okukhuluma kakhulu njengoba ushilo wathi kukhona o-strict, mhlawumbe njengoba benikhula akekho mhlawumbe kungathi ubephuma endleleni mangabe kuthiwa ke umama kumele athethise kube khona othatha icala lomunye.
Not really.
I think personalities.
I think personalities zethu zi different. We all have different personalities. For example, uSisipho, like she's very strict. Uyalibamba ixesha. And then with uSinovuyo, I'd say that maybe she's the smartest in the group. And then with me, I think I'm the outspoken one, like socializing, and sometimes I like things being done my way. So we all have different personalities.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kusho bekubalekile kakhulu ngenkathi sicala umbuzo ukuthi ukhe ubani oze ngokuthi kuthathwe iziqu uzelona nokuthi mhlawumbe niqhubeke futhi nibheke ku masters yenu, ezinye zezinto mhlawumbe bekumele ukuthi si understand ukuthi ama personalities enu njengoba bathathu awafani. Yebo niyafana njengoba nibonakala, kodwa ke ama personalities enu awafani. Ngakho besibuza ukuthi ke ezinye zezinto mhlawumbe ukuthi ngathi nisesikolweni ama lecturer enu bewangenza i mistake, akekho kwabhalela omunye test.
No. Ngoba i-test sizibhala same time, and ke ngika uyobhala funeka uveze student card, so bayakwazi ubona. Kodwa ke like besiqaphela xa sobhala ba basinotice ba siyafana, but besingakwazi ba ndihambe nobhalela uSinovuyo ngoba izawuvela ba andingosinovuyo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ezinye zezinto ke ebesifuna ukuzazi namhlanje, kodwa ngaphambi kokuthi ngivale mhlawumbe akukho kunye engekushiya emuva mhlawumbe befuna ukuthinta.
I think into esifuna ukuyitsho, we want to say thank you to our family, umama notata, and our brothers for i-support yabo. I think they supported us kuyo yonke le journey. If it was not for their support, andiqondi uba ngesilapha namhlanje. And also our friends zasevarsity esikhule nazo, and everyone nje oye wasisupporta in our journey. We are very grateful.
And to South Africa yonke abantu abasivuyelayo ku-internet, siyabulela kakhulu.
Yes, I think isebethile kwa wonke umuntu osupportileyo that has been with us throughout this whole journey. Siyabulela ngayo yonke into.
Ngicabanga ukuthi nathi sesiyingxenye yohambo lwenu eliya kwi-masters. Ngicabanga ukuthi nombukeli naye ekhaya usiyingxenye yenu yohambo lwe-masters. Ngidifisela konke okuhle.
Enkosi siyabulela.
Bukeli besikuthembisile ukuthi sizoba nenkulumo ekhethekile. Sisakhulumisana ke nabo uSinovuyo, uSisipho kanjalo noEsihle besibeka esithombeni ngohambo lwabo njengoba bazoqhubeka nezifundo zabo ze-LLB manje balibangise kwi-masters. Ngathemba ukuthi ke nawe ulapho usekhaya ube wakhuthazeka njengoba bebasicocela kabanzi ngohambo lwabo.